Any thoughts on NMDC? Does it excite you at 300 rupees, Sandeep?
Not at all. I mean, I was really scratching my head and trying to think, I mean, what is it that the company or the investment bankers are going to sell to investors? And I could find just one parameter on which NMDC could be justified, and that was EV per reserves EV per reserves. There's absolutely no other parameter on which it could be justified. But, that's anything that is contingent on reserves that are not exploited means that there is a fair amount of risk of execution, whether it could be environmental clearances, whether, there could be resettlement, there could be so many issues. You don't really know what those issues are. And for, from my perspective, I wouldn't really want to buy anything unless there is a margin of safety. And the only way that there could be a margin of safety is for it to be offered at a discount to Sesa Goa. And Sesa Goa, mind you, is a very efficient company. I mean, it's a very good, solid company. And they're doing very well. And I think the other negative, as I look at NMDC, is that iron ore is probably one of the most profitable businesses there is, because if you have open cast mining, you don't even have to dig deep. You just pull out the iron ore and you have huge margins. So, that's the reason why, Sesa Goa from time to time has been a great stock. But the point is that they're integrating forward. They are getting into steel and stuff like that, where the margins are much lower. A natural resource play by definition will always have a higher margin, a higher valuation because of the inherent limitations of the resource. But, as far as manufacturing steel is concerned, there is really no shortage. Anybody can set up that capacity. So on these counts, I think I would steer clear of NMDC.